What if I told you that one of the fastest growing specializations in cybersecurity is AI security, and not a lot of people are talking about it? Most cyber professionals and companies are talking about the AI risks, but not a lot of people know how to actually test and secure these AI systems. Companies are rushing to integrate AI into everything, their automation platforms, their toolings, chatbots, but very few of them are thinking about how to actually secure this, and this is going to be a growing career in the coming years. Also, because you're watching this video today, I have an amazing giveaway for you. So watch this video right till the end and I will let you know how you can enter to build a free certification. The challenge with AI security is that most of the things you see online are either theoretical, extremely expensive, or just assumes that you have machine learning background. And that is why today's video is super interesting. I've been checking out the AI certification by TryHackMe. This is a hands-on certification designed to help you learn practical AI skills and to prove that you can actually secure AI-powered systems. This path is probably one of the most beginner-friendly AI security paths I've come across so far. So today, what I'm actually going to do is not just talk about this, but share my screen, walk you through this certification program, show you the different modules in the learning path. And the good part is, it's up to you if you want to just sign up for the free version, try out some of the rooms, or you want to go for the premium version. So if you want something on your CV and LinkedIn profile and to talk in the interviews about AI security risks and how to actually protect AI systems, come along with me. So this is the AI Security Level 1 A1 certification by TryHackMe. Let's go into the recommended learning and see what is there as a part of this. You can start your learning here. As you can see, there are multiple different pathways. The first one is AI security. There's also a practice section where you can practice your skills. There are different challenges and walkthroughs which look super interesting and I feel like solving all of them. Let's just first go to the AI security part and see what's there in this learning path. So we can see over here that they are talking a bit about AI and what are the different things. Over here, you can see module 1, that is the AI fundamentals, AI ML security threats, models, prompt engineering, forensics, containment, all of the different AI fundamentals that you should ideally begin with as a beginner. Then you can come here and see the secure AI systems, LLM security, threat modeling, reconnaissance, whole bunch of good things about securing these AI systems. And when you come over here, there's a third module, prompt security. This one looks interesting. I personally love everything about prompt engineering, prompt security when it comes to AI security. And when you come down here, you'll see different things related to this as the different types of things involved. Then you can see AI supply chain security, different supply chain attacks in AI, payloads, whole bunch of technical stuff. Now you can see that we're going into more of the deeper technical things. And when you come on the top here, you will understand that we started with something super fundamental to something that's also super technical. Let's get into this AI ML security threats and we'll see what's in it. So basically, once you come inside here, within this particular path, you will see multiple tasks as a part of it that you need to complete. This is the first task. This is task 1, introduction, right? So you see multiple things, the prerequisites, the objectives. So it's like super laid out for you and so structured because before starting the particular room and the task, you know what you're going to learn out of this, right? So let's click join this room and let's see what are the different tasks. Let's actually open the AI security threats. That looks interesting to me. So over here, you can see the different things. They have explained what AI security threats actually are. When you scroll down, you'll see the different implications of AI in cybersecurity, the vulnerabilities in AI models, what are the real risks and the problems with AI models in cybersecurity. Why do we say that AI security is important? What are the actual risks and dangers, right? When we try and come here, you'll see the different categories. So everything is quite divided. And coming below, there are also some of the more advanced type of enhanced attacks, right? How AI is actually shaping the cyber landscape at the moment. So these things are like super important because I feel like it walks you through from a complete beginner to actually introducing you to some of these things like deepfakes, right? This is like super important, and this is a big buzzword in the industry right now. It's important for you as a beginner to know about some of these things. Videos no longer are about just the basic attacks, but they expect beginners to know about these things to show you're keeping up with the current cyber landscape. And you come here, you see that there's a bunch of questions. So you need to actually be learning everything, reading the stuff, answering these questions, and clicking on check to finish the task, right? Let's go to the next one, the practical task. AI cyber assistant. This one seems good. Let's try and do this so that I can show you some of the hands-on stuff that's also there on this path. If I click open agent, it just opens up like an AI agent in the side, and it's kind of teaching me things on the left and also letting me do it in the right. And my favorite part about TryHackMe is that everything is within the browser, right? So that is the best part for me, because I don't have to have any headache of setting something externally. And that is very important as a beginner, because you will get super overwhelmed in the start. So you can see here that they are guiding you with a bunch of different things, and there's a log line, there's explaining you how to do log analysis using an AI agent, correct? That's what's happening here. Like I pasted the log line and it's explained everything to me. Let's go below. There's like a few other different tasks within this practical section. Phishing, email detection. Here's a suspicious email. Can you identify the phishing attempt and explain why? Let's try and see what's the problem in this email. We need to try and identify it. First thing I see is this, the Microsoft spelling. It's not an I that's used, if you notice it, right? And the other thing is there's a lot of urgency. It's saying that you need to do this or your account would be locked and you would lose access to something important. This is a complete sign of a phishing email. Then there's also threat hunting scenario, content generation, how AI can help you with content generation stuff. You can use AI to actually write regex patterns, which is really important in incident response, threat hunting. If I just paste it here, this is how you can actually utilize AI. Everybody is afraid that cybersecurity beginners are going to lose their jobs to AI. You won't really lose your jobs if you know how to use AI, right? That is what companies are looking for. Now, when we move over here, you can see putting it to test, right? So this is the kind of like a quick challenge they've given you, that they've taught you all these things. Now we need to actually find that flag and then complete the task. Now let's go on the top. And yeah, these are basically the things that I like. You can see over here, there's a start, attack box, option. Everything is within the platform. That's the best thing. Now let's talk a little about the certification itself. Like, first of all, this credential seems really interesting to me personally. You can basically complete the entire learning path we discussed and then do the actual AI 1 certification to prove that you've learned these things, right? And then the exam has a lot of like practical scenarios. It's not just multiple choice questions, because that's not enough to prove that you know hands-on cybersecurity. And everything is fully browser based. That's what I personally like a lot. And other than that, the exam window is for 48 hours and most people would spend around 6 to 8 hours to actually complete it. You also have one free retake included. Having practical exposure to this particular specialization, cybersecurity, can become very valuable moving forward. A lot of people keep asking me that how do we keep up with AI? AI is probably going to take our jobs away. What do we do? How do we learn AI? Can you suggest an AI course? So, this is your answer. Like, AI is something that you should know how to use as a tool. You should be equipped with AI. It's not something that you are just going to go on a website and learn a course and by heart a bunch of things and give multiple question exams and just know. It's more about hands-on. How do you know how to use AI in your work? Like some of the examples we saw today, with how to use prompts to get AI to do some of the manual tasks, how to use prompts to get AI to do all of these regex patterns for you, queries for you. So I would especially recommend this for SOC analysts, pen testers, students, early career cybersecurity professionals, or anybody who's basically trying to learn how AI is being used in cybersecurity and how they can upskill themselves in AI security. If you come here, you'll see the different topics covered in the exam, like threat modeling is included. You can see a bunch of things of how actually this certification evaluates that particular skill, prompt injection and jailbreaking. You can see this as well. There's also AI supply chain security. There's data poisoning. So these are all the different things on which you're going to be tested in this certification. And at the end, you're basically going to get the exam results, a digital certificate, LinkedIn integration, bunch of cool things which can show any recruiter or your LinkedIn or your CV that you are equipped with AI security skills. You do not need to be some kind of machine learning expert or AI engineer to be able to learn these cybersecurity skills. AI is here, AI risks and AI security is already here. The faster you learn these skills, develop yourselves, the better your job future is going to be in cybersecurity. And I told everybody watching this video at the start that if you stick till the end, I have an exciting announcement for you. And here it is. TryHackMe is giving all my audience a chance to enter for a free giveaway. In this giveaway, I will be giving out 5 free AI1 TryHackMe vouchers for this exact certification I showed you the walkthrough of today. So all you need to do is step 1, sign up for a free TryHackMe account. It's absolutely free to do this. Use the link in the description below. After that, step 2, complete at least one of the rooms in the AI path. I showed you a couple of the parts and the tasks today. So complete any one room in the AI path. After you do that, come back to this video and comment below and explain how learning AI security or getting this AI1 certification is actually going to help you with your career goals. And along with that, also include your TryHackMe username in the comment. After that, I will pick out 5 winners 1 week after this video goes live. I am so happy to be able to do this, and I'm so glad that TryHackMe has given me an opportunity to give this to my audience. So I highly recommend you just do all the steps I spoke about, create the free account, do one of the parts in the certification course, and comment down and let me know how this is going to help you. After that, all you got to do is just wait. Also, anyone else who wants to check this out, you also have a 30% discount code on this whole bundle because now is the launch period. So use the code I've given in the description below. The code is NEERAAI1. With this code, you will get a 30% off on the AI1 bundle. Thank you so much for watching this video right till the end. I really hope that this free giveaway turns out to be super valuable for you. Hope you learned something out of this video. If you want me to do more such hands-on videos, solve some of the labs, and bring more exciting giveaways for you, like this video, comment down and support me. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and make sure you send this video to someone it can help. The more people who like and subscribe to my channel and comment on it, better cybersecurity brands I can actually collaborate with and get these kind of giveaways for you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and see you next time.